How to make a rented apartment better and stay on budget. In brief, choose modular, knockdown furniture. Use decor and accessories that you can easily take away when you move. See more in the video. If you're inspired by the ideas for interior from the video, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links below. Step 1. Start with furniture. If you rent an unfurnished apartment, be creative and furnish it to your liking. Purchase such basic items as sofa, cupboard and table. You can easily find affordable knockdown furniture. Storage modules are a handy option. They can accommodate your entire wardrobe, shoes and books. You should buy such modules for a furnished apartment as well, because usually it has a minimal set of furniture. Modern modules are available in different colors and materials. They will create bright accents in the boring design. A floor rack will come in handy if you don't have enough space. Today they are trendy and you can choose from a wide range of different shapes and styles. With paint and tutorial videos on YouTube, you can easily turn granny's old furniture into a stylish modern set. The owners will probably be glad as well. There are many offers of old but rather high-quality furniture at a token price on Craigslist. Giving it a new look is easy and cheap. Beanbag chairs and decorative cushions look like a bright spot in the room. In the future, you can easily take them away with you. Step 2. Decorate the room. We are done with furniture. Now let's make the apartment comfortable and your own. If you don't like the wallpaper or paints of the walls, you can buy removable wallpaper. You can easily remove them without traces and take them away with you. Use throw blankets and removable covers for sofas and chairs to give the furniture a new look. Sets of bed linen of designer colors will lift your spirit right away. Curtains chosen to your liking will completely change the apartment style. Bright curtains are recommended for monochrome interiors. Monochrome-like curtains will balance the multicolored walls. You can cover an old table with glass and put any poster under it. Choose a carpet in your favorite style for the floor. Use a lot of textiles in the interior. It looks really good. Personal photos will help personalize the apartment. With special clips and stickers that leave no traces, you can hang them anywhere on the walls. Wall-size posters of large black and white photographs make the room look modern. Posters and billboards cost nothing, but make the interior look bright and charming, a sort of hippie chic. You can divide a one-room or studio apartment into zones with a screen. You can find this item in any suitable style. Step 3. Add accessories to make it cozy. Boost the coziness with additional options. Houseplants freshen up the interior and lift spirits. Choose the lowest maintenance ones. A living environment is never amiss. Usually, there's a chandelier in the standard apartment. It's a single source of light. With lamps and wall luminaries with clips, you can completely change the lighting in the apartment. You won't even have to drill anything. Soft, warm lighting will make your interior domestic. Scented candles and diffusers will create a relaxed atmosphere. You can easily find them in any store. Light garlands coast pennies and look magical. You can take all these things away easily when moving into a new apartment, but they will give your style and sound to the room. Use these simple steps to turn a boring room into a cozy and homey place to relax or spend time with friends. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Embrace the changes.